Hey team, welcome to Secret Templates. Now, secret templates are pretty straightforward, but they're also very powerful. When it comes to launches, it becomes a little bit more complicated, but the important and simple thing to understand is that a secret template is there to define what type of secret you're saving. So if you're saving an Active Directory secret, you will have things like a username, password, and domain. Whereas if you have a web password secret, you'll have a secret template that has username, password, and URL. These things are defined in the secrets. You can create custom secret templates, and they can be very complicated or they can be very simple. In the lab that we've created, we're creating a extra launcher that goes together with a secret template. Secret templates do double up with a couple of features in the secret policies, but we're going to try to avoid them and instead stick to the basics, and I'll just show you a quick lab and understand how it all fits together. Thank you very much.